Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we're working on another project that we got going on. All right, you see this mess over here of all this disaster. We're gonna try to clean this up next week. I got parts coming in, that's why I say next week. I ordered a couple of things. We're gonna do reviews on those things that I did get, unboxing and installation. Sorry, Julie's yelling in the back, he's a jerk. But that's a bird, can't do nothing about it. But anyway, see this big mess? So I want to take this off the wall. We're gonna like really make this compact so that it'll just be the TV and just be the sound bar. And I want to run the wires through the wall instead. And like I said, I want to delete this entire thing because you can see that looks kind of like an eyesore. You guys can see that, that's kind of a poopiness, to see all that, mess over here. So I think we're going to clean that up. We're going to make it look, really nice. I can't wait for that. Like I said, we got a couple of things coming in, and we'll do the installation, together, just like we did on the sink and, any of the other projects that, I got going on. All right, so guys, we'll be back with Glenn Velvet Reviews, obviously, as during the week, and I'll just piece together the video, and we'll get this project on our way.